Hello friends and my dear students. As we discussed how to insert data into the table, and this time I'm going to tell you about the DML statement, that is select statement. Though we have discussed select statement in the previous window also, but here with the select statement I'm going to tell you how to apply the condition uh, so that we can select the rows which are satisfying the condition or given criteria. So how to apply condition in MySQL? So let's see. So in condition in MySQL, it can be applied using the where clause. It's the where clause. So if you want to select the particular rows from the table and want to apply the condition, the statement should be like this: select column 1 or attribute 1, attribute 2, and so on from table, and after table we are going to apply where clause, and after where I have to give the condition. And second statement could be like select all the columns, that is as is the this is a wildcard character, so it includes all the columns of the table, and where table, from table, then where condition means you want to extract or filter or select the rows from the table for the particular condition or the particular criteria, can use where clause. So while using the condition, what kind of operators one must use? This is given in the table. These operators and their meanings. So if you are going to apply equal sign, means you are going to check the equality, means any expression can be compared as the attribute is equal to expression. So where you want to check, for example, city is equal to Delhi, so equal sign is there. In that case, city is the attribute and Delhi is the expression, or it could be any expression like concatenation, etc. Or you can say the age greater than 20 or age greater than 25. So 25 is expression and age is the attribute. Similarly, greater than sign, if you want to check whether the attribute is greater than the given expression, then you can apply this operator, this relation operator. And if you want to check less than sign or the lesser than, you can apply where attribute lesser than expression. Likewise, fourth relation operator is greater than equals to, means greater than equals to attribute should be greater than equals to the expression. So whichever condition is there, it should, if it satisfies the records will be selected. Likewise, less than equals to, lesser than equals to, attribute less than equals to expression. So this is the way how we can check less than and equals to, and here this is not equals to. So you can use not and equal sign will also work for not equal to, attribute not equal to expression. So these are the relational operators, and in addition we are going to check the logical operators, that is and or, where you want to combine the conditions in the single statement. If you want to combine the conditions, then you will have to use either and or. So while using and, you can use and directly, or in place of and you can use ampersand sign 2 times. Okay, and while using or pipe sign 2 times. So if you're using and or combining the condition using and, so if both the conditions you have applied or you have taken are false, the result will be false, means the result will not be displayed. And one is false and second is true, again the result will be false. And if the condition 1 is true but second is false, still the result will be false, and the result will be true when all the conditions combined with and are true. So the last one the last option is applicable when you are going to apply along with the AND statement or AND operator, logical operator. In OR, you'll see we can apply with where we want to, whether this or this condition, this or condition this. So out of the two, or out of or among the conditions, one should be true, then the result will be true. Like if first condition is false and second is also false, then the result will be false if you are combining conditions using the OR operator. If one is false and second is true, then result will be true. First is true, other is false, result will be true. If all the true, then result will be true in case of OR. And in addition, apart from these logical and relational operators, we are having some more conditional operators like between. This includes if, between. So here it specifies the range expression between expression 1 and expression 2, means attribute which is between expression, the values which lies between expression 1 and expression, which value, the value of this expression lies between this and this, inclusive expression 1 and expression 2 will be selected. And if you want to select negative, then you will have to use not between. So here if you apply expression not between expression 1 and expression 2, so all those rows which are satisfying this statement, means not satisfying expression 1 and expression 2, will be selected. And the operator like in, this expression specifies expression in expression 1, expression 2, expression 3. So if expression lies or expression matches with expression 1, expression 2, expression 3 will be selected. And if you are applying not sign, means negative, then you can use this sign like expression not in expression 1, expression 2 and expression 3. So let's move to MySQL for hands-on. So here we are, and this time you will see how I can insert the records into the table. I have created a text file in Notepad in which I have mentioned how to use the database and how to insert the records. So I'm going to copy this. I'm going to paste here. Okay. There's an issue, so I'm going to copy once again. What is the issue? The database is of type, database name is info 12th. Now I'm going to copy it and paste it in MySQL. Database is changed, see here, and I want to insert the data. So here 7 records are inserted. So if I apply select asterisk from employee, it will show you 10 records. Now I want to display, or I want to select all those employees who are female, means you want to select or you want to filter out those records who are female. So what do we do? If you want to take the name only, select the name only, select name from employee. Now see how to apply the condition where female, So which column should I accept? Which column should I take? Means female, to check female, I have to take the gender. So where gender is equal to female. So these are the employees who are female. And over here, if you see the statement, select employee number from employee name from employee where gender is equal to F. Sometimes a user might give a small f. So here I can use the logical operator, means gender capital F or gender small f. Like this. So it could be F or small f. So any employee whose gender is F will be selected and rows are displayed here. And if you want to take more columns or all the columns, you can see like asterisk like this. So here this is. And likewise, if you want to like combine the condition, over here I have combined the condition like gender is equal to F or gender is equal to small f. Now I want to select all those employees who are between employee number 102 to 1007. And there, because it should be greater than 1001, should be greater than 1002, greater than or equals to 1002, and should be less than equals to 1007, means I have to give the range here. So while using the range or while mentioning the range, I will have to use the field or the attribute which can maintain the range. From employee where employee number is greater than equals to 102 and employee number less than is equal to 1007. So see here, right from 102 till 107, all the records are selected and the result is there. And suppose I want to select all those records who are either analyst or data entry operator or the director. So I'll have to use in here. And this condition like select asterisk from employee from employee number 102 and employee number less than equals to 107. I can apply with between statement as well. If I apply with between statement, select asterisk from employee where amp number between 1002 and 107. Select asterisk from you have check by number between 102 and 107. Yes, parenthesis should not be there. So I wanted to filter or select all those records where employee number is greater than equals to 102 and less than equals to 107. So while using between, expression 1 means this value and this value inclusive, like 102 and 107. And if I take negative of this, employee number not between this, so 101. So this table or the records which are not in this range are selected. Okay, so we have used, now I'm going to use in. I want to select the names who are either accountant who or programmer or analyst. So select employee name from employee where designation in clerk or programmer or analyst. So only those records in which designation is either clerk or programmer or analyst are selected. See here, employee name, comma, designation. See here. If I apply not in, so I will have to use not in like this. So they are not in, except clerk, programmer, analyst, all the designations are selected. So this way we can apply the conditions. We can use between, we can use in, we can use logical operators and or and simple conditions. So hope you understood how to apply the condition in MySQL. And if you have understood, kindly practice and share with your friends, and like the video and share and subscribe the channel as well, because if you subscribe the channel, all the new video notifications you will receive then and there. So we'll meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.